Good morning, students. Welcome to Science Virtual Classes. And yesterday we have started our chapter 8 Properties of Water, and today we will continue same chapter. Today our topic is floating and sinking. You see the some materials which do not dissolve in water, either float on the surface or sink to the bottom of the container. Here on the screen there is a log of wood that is float on the surface of water, and you also see these are the some materials that are also float on the surface of water. Now here we do the one activity. You have take the one glass of water and put into the some coin in a beaker or some plastic pieces. The coin is both are the insoluble in water, but the coin sink to the bottom of the beaker or a glass, and the other one that is float on the surface of water. Another one example, I have take the liquids. I have take the in oil. Take a one glass of beaker and put the some water droplets. Put the some oil droplets on the water surface. Stir it. You observe that oil is not dissolved in water. It float on the surface of water. And another one, you have take the coin. You have take the stone that it put into it, and it is the settle down. Here means oil is insoluble in water, means that it must be less dense than the fluid which is immersed, and density of water is equal to 1 gram per centimeter cube. Is oil more or less dense than water? Yes, because it is floating on the surface of water, and the heavier those which have the heavy mass, those which have the heavy density, these are the sinking in water. I have also take the some examples like sand, coin, pebbles, iron nails, marbles. Some are the material which sink in water. Cork, butter paper, thermocol, sawdust, hair oil, mustard oil. These are the some examples which float on the surface of water. These are the materials that sink in water or float on it, that is depending on its the nature and the type. It is floating and sinking. Here it depends upon the nature and type. I have take the two beaker, one that is the polythene and another one is the ball, and some is the heavy form that you show in blue color. Ball is float on the surface because it is the less dense, and the yogurt, egg yogurt, and some heavy materials like coin and pebbles, that is sink inside it, and that it is the highly dense in water. So one thing is float and another one is sink. Next is our topic is physical state of water. You already know that water mainly exists in the liquid form, but it can be changes into its vapors or solid form. That is done by the changing its temperature. I have seen the you have seen the some examples on the screen. Sun, heat on the oceans, and water is vaporized. Here same. Another one, I have take the some water in a beaker and start heating, and this water is boiling and convert into the vapors form. Another one is take the some water in a kettle and start heating, and there is the vapors are arising from the mouth of the kettle. That is also the water change into the vapors form. You also see, you see this, see on the screen, that is the there are the some clothes that spread on the wire in the open form, and it will dry out after the sometimes. It happen because the water get evaporate, and that is change into the vapors form, and these water vapors go into the atmosphere and clothes are the dry. Another one important examples of the evaporations is sweating. The sweat require energy to evaporate off your skin, and it gets that energy from the excess heat your body is produced, in turn causing you to cool down. That is the another example. Means all these examples what are showing? These are showing liquid water change into the water vapors on heating. That is called the evaporations. Another one. You also observe this activity because you are the keen observer, and here the water vapors change into the liquid water, liquid form. Here you see this activity in this season on bathroom. You when you are bathing in the hot water, and some vapors are arising on the mirror, and you see this type of the picture on the mirror. Another one, take the you have take the bottle, cold water bottle, and put at the room temperature, and after some time you observe that the outer covering of the bottle is the some tiny droplets are there. Here another, this one, first of all I'm heating it, and the water is the vaporized, and when we kept the lid in the vapors form, it start the cooling and convert into the water droplets. That is also the examples of another form. All these are the condensation. You see the some examples of the condensation. Here changes from the gas to liquid. It is opposite to the evaporations, like cold glass, hot days. These are the some changes. Here condensation and evaporations. Gases convert into the liquid, and liquid convert into the gases. In the short form, we can say that when the liquid are start heating, it changes into the vapors form. That is called the evaporations. And the changing of the water vapors into the liquid on cooling, that is called the condensation. And you see all the different types of the examples of the condensation and evaporations. Tomorrow we will meet again a new topic. Thank you. Take care.